Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing La Quinta by Wyndham Birmingham Hoover. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located 4 miles from Oak Mountain State Park, this Birmingham hotel features a daily continental breakfast, outdoor pool, and free property-wide Wi-Fi. The Galleria Mall is 3 miles away. A flat-screen cable TV and coffee-making facilities are included in all rooms. This Birmingham La Quinta Inn and Suites provides a desk, private bathroom, and hairdryer as well. Guests can stay active in the fitness center and retreat to the on-site spa. La Quinta Inn and Suites Birmingham Hoover has an on-site laundromat and free parking for added convenience. Birmingham Botanical Gardens is 1 mile away. The hotel is 14 miles from McWane Science Center and Alabama Theater. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.